everyone, Vivi here. Annoying clutter or messy watermarks ruining your photos? Let's try AI Remover. First, head to AI Tool Market in the top bar, scroll down and find our AI Remover tool. Today I want to first introduce a feature that I use all the time and find super practical, Watermark Remover. This toolkit is powerful, erasing unwanted elements while keeping the background looking completely natural. Now let's click on Watermark Remover to enter its dedicated page and see exactly how it works. Snap! Upload the photo you want to clean and click the big button Use as Reference. Now, keep an eye on the floating ball in the bottom right corner until the progress bar hits 100%. It's done! Go straight to My Assets to check out your clean, transformed result. Wow! This final image looks incredible. The watermark is completely gone and the background filling is flawless. But that's not all. Vidoly also features AI Text Remover to quickly wipe out captions, billboards, or random typos. And for your travel shots, the AI Background People Remover is perfect for clearing away unwanted tourist crowds. Need to erase a specific photo bomber? Switch to AI People Remover to easily keep the focus entirely on you. We also have specialized tools like Gemini Watermark Remover to clean up logos from your generated images. Working with other popular platforms, use Jimeng Watermark Remover to get a perfectly pristine result in seconds. And for video stills, Kling Watermark Remover is right here to ensure your visuals remain professional and spotless. If your photos have messy captions or unexpected typos, just switch to AI Text Remover to clean them up instantly. Want to see more? There are so many powerful erasing modes waiting for you to discover. Go explore your favorite. Subscribe for more AI editing tips and comment below with what you want to erase from your photos next. Start your free trial at Vidoly AI today. Clear the clutter, change your photos. See you!